Good morning, children. Today topic is aerial modification. Aerial means what? Stem. Pyroclasts. In dry climate, conserving water is challenge. Water evaporates from the surface. Okay, well, water evaporates from the surface. If the surface area is larger, evaporation will be more. Okay, well, if the surface area is larger, evaporation could be more. And if the surface area is smaller, the evaporation will be less. Can you understand this topic? Next. Plants with many leaves have more surface area. Am I right? Cactus hence has a thick stem. Cactus hence has a thick stem. This is, see, the cactus. I think you know that cactus. Okay, this is dry area plant. Dry area plant. The dry area, no rainfall. See, less than rainfall. So the stem is stored. More of water is stored in that stem. Okay, but when a cactus you have to break means it will come, water will come. That is a very watery plant, this because it stored more of water due to the rainy time. Thick stem which does not most the food production through the photosynthesis, and leaves are reduced to the small spines with the less surface area. Next, sub-aerial modifications. Stem of the some plants remain sub-aerial which grow horizontally on the surface of the soil from the purpose of reproductions. Okay, well, listen. Stem of some plants remain subaerial, which grow horizontally on the surface of the soil for purpose of reproduction. Therefore, four types. Runner. What is that? Four types. This first one, runner. Second one, stolon. Next one is sucker. Next one, offset. Four offset. Four types. First, we can study about that runner. The stems grows laterally on the surface of the soil. Okay, wow. This is one plant. Okay, the stem grows laterally on the surface of the soil. Okay, break up the produce roots. This is break up the produce the roots where it touches ground to give rise to new plant. Listen, break up the produce to roots where, when means where the touch the ground. Okay, where the touch the ground, the roots forms. The root forms. Okay, so next the plant is break up. Again, new plant will grow. Can you understand? This is example Vallara. Vallara chedi kira irukle adu ipdi. Next stolon. Stolon is a slender branch of the stem that grows upwards of the distance and the bends towards the ground. Upon the touching the ground, it give rise to the new plant. Wild strawberry. Listen. Stolon is a slender branch of the stem. This is branches. How? Listen. Branch of the stem grows upwards. Okay, ma'am. Stem grows upwards some distance. Stem, branch of the stem that grows upwards of the surface. Okay, ma'am. மேலே நோக்கி அது போகிட்டு இருக்கு surface where some distance and the bends toward the ground. Sometimes some distance, okay, the stem is bent towards the ground, bends towards the ground. Upon touching the ground, it raises a new plant. Upon the touch, it raises a new plant. Again, it blends some distance, the stem bend towards the ground, the new plant is grow. Okay, next. Sucker. Sucker is short and weak lateral branch. It grows diagonally upwards and directly gives the rise new shoot. Cyranthemum. Cyranthemum means which one? That இதுல சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, செவ்வந்திப்பு, like that only. This also like that only. When we ground towards that ground, again it rise the new root, sucker root. So again new plant is will. Again here also is moving means when the touch the ground, it suitable area, it forms the root, new plant will grow. That is all. Offset. An offset of a short and thick branch that rises from the aerial part of the leaf. It has a thick internode. It produces a tuft or leaves and a cluster of small roots below. For example, Echinoria. Yes. You just recall one or two times. Okay, you can't understand me, just one or two times you have to read. Easily we can understand. Okay, next session we'll meet next class. Thank you.